Welcome to Bald Guy DIY. In this video, I'm taking on a design challenge for my aunt to 3D print her some new arms. So of course, I'm not talking about printing an arm today, but I'm talking about printing arms for a set of glasses. My aunt had a pair of reading glasses that she really liked, but there's a stress point right by the hinge that caused the arm to break. She was wondering if I could 3D print her some new arms for the glasses that would be much more durable so she wouldn't have to be quite so careful with them. We're gonna have to model it, print it out, and test and see if they do indeed work for a new set of glasses arms. Let's see what I can come up with.
I started the modeling in SolidWorks by choosing the top plane and then laying out a basic sketch of the shape of the arm. Once the shape was in place, I then added the dimensions that I found by measuring the arm with a caliper to get a much closer estimation of how big the actual arm should be. Then I extruded 3 millimeters, which is the thickness of the original arms. Then I added an area where the hinge is going to be by extruding another 4 millimeters and then placing a hole for the screw. And adding fillets, which will help reduce the stress on those joints. That done, it's time to print. It ended up taking 4 different tries as I made subtle changes to the hinge area in order for everything to fit properly and it to swing closed the way I wanted it to. The 4th try, I finally had everything down and I tweaked the shape of it to match much more closely to the original. Then I mirrored the model in my slicing software Simplify 3D and printed it out. I had so much fun that I printed a bunch of different colors as well. And ended up with the clear ones for the final product. That's what it looked like.
So as you can see, the final result, there are working arms. If I take them off, they do indeed open and close very easily, and they fit comfortably on my face. And from the side, you can see, they look pretty good. Sanding them up, finishing up a little bit, and they'll be perfect. Well, you know how 3D printing is. Once you get started, it's hard to stop. So I've got arms in different colors, clear, white, black, orange, and pretty much any other color filament that I have is now only 20 minutes of printing away. These are not my style, I'm taking them off. To my aunt, I say, I'm so glad you have arms again, and I hope that you enjoy them as much as I enjoyed making them. If you like the videos we're making, please consider subscribing to the channel. Leave us a comment below, things you'd like to see us tackle next. Share with your friends and family, any other creative people in your life. And until next time, in all your DIY projects, don't be afraid to be balder.